everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well, good, happy, whatever you're doing on this Friday. So welcome to Fashion Friday. So I've got a fun, bright, summery video for you today. I am collabing with Hello Molly for the third time. The nicest brand to work for, and I love them so much. I'm totally obsessing over the Australian kind of brands. I just love their designs. Are so cutesy, so summery. It's totally what I'm into at the moment. So because the summer season is about to start, I thought what better way than to do a holiday ready video. First dress. Now I've actually never got anything like this before. When I put it on, I was kind of getting do you know what? This would be a cute airport dress because I don't like anything tight being on my body. Like when I'm traveling, I like to wear nice flowy dresses. So as you can see, it's a really nice, comfortable knit. Now I am completely obsessed with this material. I mean, I would describe it as a fine knit. It's not making my hair static. That's another thing. My hair gets quite static on flights. It's really comfortable, nice and soft, nice and stretchy. That's exactly what I look for in a dress when I'm traveling. I love this puffy sleeve. You guys know how much I love a puff sleeve, and I really like this design on it. So it's nice and tight on my arms, so I can wear it high up like this, if that's more you. But I actually quite like having it at 3/4 length, and then when it's down, you kind of get this really nice shaping. Yeah, like this. Look at the length at the back. That is so nice. That's literally the perfect length, because when I'm getting mini dresses, I want to look cute. I want them to be actually mini on me, not at my knee. And so actually having this, and you can pull it down, you can make it lower if you feel uncomfortable. You can bring it up because of the adjustment at the front, so it will stay there. I actually love this so much. The colour's really nice as well. It's a really nice spring just a nice subtle colour, so it's not too bright and it's not black as well, so you're adding a bit of colour there. Look how nice this dress is when you put some heels on. This is literally just such a great dress for multi-purposes, because you can wear it, like I've said, in the airport comfy. You can wear it during the day when you're on holiday, with some trainers or some sandals, flat sandals, walking about, exploring and whatnot. And then in the evening, pop some heels on and you can totally glam it up. But yeah, I just love how easy the adjustable is and how it takes in your waist, so it does show off your shape. Size is extra small, and yeah, it literally fits me perfectly. So good start. Let's get the next one on. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so this is the next dress. It's got the nice off the shoulder style, which I love. The thing that got me first about this dress was actually just the overall design of it. I love all of these frills. It's difficult to show black on camera, but it's got all of these wonderful frills on it. The length is actually so good. I'm gonna pop some heels on. This is a really cute dress to wear if you go for an evening meal or something. Now the other thing I'm loving about this is the material. It is so stretchy, so comfortable, really flowy, really airy. It's thing is, it's stretchy, but it's tight on me, which I love. So it's got the puffy look on the sleeve, especially if you decide to wear it like this. Yeah, it's got that really nice tight stretch material here, which I really like. So yeah, it's completely up to you how you wear that sleeve, what style you like. Now I just love this. I love how it goes in on the waist, so it shows your shape, but then it goes out with all these wonderful layers. I love this. I really, really love this. It's just you need a black dress, especially if you are someone who wears a lot of black. And you know what, everyone's got a little black dress in their wardrobe. It's such an essential. This is a little bit more than just a typical black dress, because obviously it's got the off the shoulder. You've got all the lovely details of the layers here, and then the sleeve as well. Yeah, I just really love this. I feel like this is a must-have, Okay, can we all just again totally highlight the fact that it's actually short on me. Now again, the model was wearing an extra small, and I was like, oh, it looks short on her, it looks cute on her, but it's actually, the length is so good. Oh my gosh. Thing is, if you are taller, it's a play suit, so you would just have more leg out. But for me, and play suits, literally, they go down to my knee. It's very difficult to get some, especially when they're baggy like this. They've got this cute skirt shape where it looks like a dress, but it's not. Again, this is such a great essential because you can wear it throughout the day with sandals, go wandering about. Then in the evening, you can put this on with heels and it would look so cute. I just love the colour. I love dark green. It's a real colour that has got to me lately that I'm just absolutely loving. I think it's really nice. It's a good substitute for black if you want to open your colour up more in the wardrobe. It fits my body as well. It's amazing. I mean, you guys know how much I struggle finding dresses or anything along these lines that actually go in on my back. I just love the overall style of this. I love this wonderful material here. It's nice and flowy, nice and thin, but it's not see-through. It's like a nice thin holiday material. You don't want anything thick when you're on holiday, let's be real. I love the overall shaping here, so it's nice and defined on the waist, and then it's this really nice ruffled kind of texture effect on the bust area as well. It just makes it more glam, you know? The more I'm looking at it, the more I'm just loving it. So yeah, oh my gosh, let's get the next one. Oh, it's got pockets as well. God damn, that is so annoying because it's got so much potential. You know, it's literally just like the tiniest bit there. Now the top fits me perfectly. I mean, I love how it's got like a cute little zip here. It's like the cutest little zip I've ever seen. And you can like adjust it so it comes like this. And then it's up to you if you want to put a bow in there or if you just want to put like a knot. I really like that adjustment. Oh, this is really sweet. Okay, so this is a crop top and a skirt. It's not a two-piece, it doesn't come together. I chose this because I just love holiday skirts. I cannot get enough of them. I love the whole kind of like the elasticated, just how it's so comfortable. It's really flowy. And this, I just love this brand because even though the material is so fine and delicate, it's all properly layered, so there's no see-through action going on, which we know is a common issue with online shopping. Let's get real. I'm loving this crop top. I feel like this is such an essential, like in your wardrobe. Black crop tops, can't get enough of them. Really nice simple leopard print as well. So it's a nice way to get a bit of animal print trends in there, ladies. I just popped like black Perspex court shoes on. They're really dainty and I think you need dainty shoes with an outfit like this. Oh my gosh, lovely, there we go. Woo! Okay, so to finish off, let's adjust this because it looks a little bit long, but I think once I adjust it, so that comes from inside, which I really like that design. Of course, there had to be white in there for a holiday video. I love wearing white on holiday. And it's obvious because you want to get a nice glow and ooh, this is lovely. Oh, that fits well, nice. Look at that around my waist. Love the sleeves. How adorable are the sleeves? That's so cute. I really like the frill on them. Got a good amount of layers so it's not see-through, which is lovely. This is really nice. Hey, I actually think this is my favourite dress. Just because, I don't know, just because it's really summery and it's got the cute little frills on it, which I like. It's adjustable. It's got a nice V-neck line, which I love. And this would look really nice with like golden accessories. Oh, in fact, here we are. They sent a cute little hair clip. I'm totally obsessed with hair clips at the moment. So yeah, it's a really nice kind of, it's like very similar to like a tortoiseshell kind of print on there. And oh my god, pretty. I would so put this in like here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Let me get a little bit closer so you can see. I love that. I feel like I'm holiday ready. Bish bash bosh. And Molly have always been so kind and lovely when working with them. And yeah, just like showing you guys their items because I cannot get enough of it. I think this is the third video I've done with them and I'm just like, cannot get enough. I hope you have the most amazing weekend and I'll catch you guys next week in my next video. Bye!